Hey gang, it's your girl Mia here at Her Southern Touch, and we're back, and I hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Today we're going to do something light. We're going to do some fresh salmon here, as you can see. We're going to do some linguine with some vegetables in it. It's like a little stir fry, but it's not actually stir fried, but you'll see how to do it for yourself, and you can add whatever you want to add to your own product. Do it your way. I tell you how to do shit the traditional way. You can just do it your way. Again, this is your girl Mia coming at you from Her Southern Touch. So we're going to do a pasta dish. We're going to do some salmon, and I got my cast iron skillet here. It's pretty damn hot, so y'all bear with me. Also, we're going to do some kale. I'm just going to put it in this pan here, saute it a little bit, let it, you know, work itself out a little bit over and over. I like mine a little crunchy, but some people don't. They like it well cooked, so we'll do it my damn way. You know why? Because Mia's the one day I'm cooking, okay? You know, I hope y'all are having a great Sunday out there. Bear with me. I know Mia hasn't been making any videos because Mia's been super busy with her job. So just work with me. You know it's about to be a transition. Bear with me, people, because it gets better in the end, okay? It always gets greater later. Again, let's get ready to get started. So we're going to do our pasta dish, salmon and kale. And then I'm gonna grill just a little shrimp, just a little, not many. I'm just gonna add a little shrimp to it. Y'all know Mia like that seafood. I put the rest of that mess down, so Mia got to get good and full. Plus I like to bring my lunch. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's say it like your grandma said. I like to bring my lunch. That's right. So it's your girl Mia. So I'm gonna pause it for a second. Glad to be back, people. Now I have some linguine here. You can add whatever pasta you want. It doesn't have to be this. It could be spaghetti. It could be rotini. It could be any kind of pasta you like. It doesn't have to be the kind that I'm using. So if you like pasta, use whatever kind you like. Don't let nobody tell you it's got to be, oh, it's got to be this. She said it. No, hell I didn't. It could be any kind you want it to be. So that's all. I'm going to let that come to a boil. Let that come to a boil, people. And I break mine because I just like to break them. Some people leave theirs whole. I don't want it that way. I just break mine one time. I'm fine with that. You do it your way. Put your own spin on it. Don't let nobody else tell you, oh, it's got to be done this way. Girl, bye. Be right back. Now in this pan over here, as you can see, our noodles are cooking, and you want to make sure that they're covered. Not drowned, but just covered. So you want to make sure they're done, and you keep them stirred. You don't want them to stick, and you don't want them to clump up. You know, some of you folks out there, I don't know. You know, not all of you, but some of you. Now, I got me some butter here. Now, you can use olive oil, whatever you want to use. This is for my kale. And I've already seasoned my kale. I already washed it off thoroughly, and I have it seasoned here. So you can do it any way you like. Some people add onions, some people add mushrooms. I used to add all that, but I'm not going to do it today. Other people, you know, don't like all that onions and all that. I don't have a problem with it. I was always told it's an aphrodisiac. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, though. So you make sure you're keeping them stirred. Make sure they're not sticky, and make sure they're not in clumps. So we're going to continue to let that stick. I mean, not stick. I'm sorry. Can you continue to let that cook? Then we'll drain them once they're done. I did add a little butter to it. I did not add salt to the water. I don't need salt. And then as you can see, my salmon here are already seasoned. I got a little seasoning, and I know y'all probably saying, what is all that? It's some salt-free seasoning that I use. You can get it from Mrs. Dash. So you can add your little seasoning, mix it the way you want to add it. You know, want to mix it up. Put whatever season you want, but I don't want it too salty. So, and I use the Mrs. Dash for color. I like the color of it. And then it'll have that caramelized look. Y'all know Mia. Mia always doing some new shit. Okay, so I'm going to pause it again because we're about to add the kale to the pan. So I don't know if you guys can really see it. I probably could move it over, but the kale is here cooking. So you got to let it cook down. It's just like any other greens. You got to let it cook down. So we're going to let that cook. We'll check my pasta. I need a couple more minutes. Just a couple. Make sure it's not sticking. Okay, we don't want it sticking. This pan here, this skillet here, this cast iron skillet is pretty damn hot. Okay, that's for the salmon. So we're gonna let that go on. So I'll be pulling the noodles off in about 3 minutes. I'm gonna strain those, and then I'm gonna saute the onions, tomatoes, and bell peppers that's going on top. Then I'm gonna mix it all together. You can use whatever vegetable you like. Some people like to use green beans, some people like to use carrots. They like to do it different ways. You can add whatever you like to the mix. Now I'm just telling you or showing you the way Mia does it today, because I switch it up on your ass. I switch it up. Be right back. Okay, here we're going to use this pan here to saute our mushroom, onions, bell pepper. I'm going to add tomatoes at the end just for a little bit, blanch them just a little bit because I don't want them overcooked. So hold on. I'm about to dump it. As you can see, I just did some small. That's all we're going to do. I put a little butter. You can use olive oil, whatever you like to use. This is what we're going to use to put on top of our linguine. And as you can see, the kale is still cooking. We want to go ahead and cook on down, cook on down, cook on down. All right. So we're going to let this cook, saute. I'll be right back. Now, I'm letting this saute, but I'm going to keep moving on. I'm about to add me some butter again. Yeah, that's what I said. Some damn butter again to this skillet to drop my salmon on the skin side down first. Got it? Here we go. Got a little parsley on there. I ain't worried about that. Better for the flavor. Better for the flavor. Okay. Da 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 da. Alright, my tomatoes last. I want them to cook on down. Turn it up a little bit. Cook on down. Cook on down. And we're going to keep that juice. Whatever that butter, juice, whatever juice is in there, we're going to keep that juice because we're going to pour that directly over the noodles so it'll have a little flavor. Don't be straining this stuff and getting rid of stuff, especially when you don't know what you're doing. Keep it. Got a big piece here. We got a small piece also. I'm gonna let it cook, baby. It's your girl Mia at Her Southern Touch. This is how we do it over here in this kitchen. Be right back. Now, as you can see, they're sauteed enough, salt. For me, you do them your way. We'll add a couple of tomatoes. Just for a little color. We don't want to overdo it. You don't want to break them up. Those are cherry tomatoes. Just let them cook just a little bit. Don't overcook them the way it's all mushy. You know, rookies. And I just flipped the salmon and I'll flip it back over in a second. Want to cook good because those are some thick pieces. And then I'm just going to take this dish, these vegetables, and pour it over the noodles and mix it all and add some parsley. That's it. I'll show you the finished look. That's it. Don't do nothing else extra. You can add your little seasoning if you want. That's it. Don't do nothing crazy. I'll go tell my some Mia showed me this way. No hell I did. Hey you guys, this is what the dish should look like. Okay? Parsley, tomatoes, mushrooms, bell pepper, onions, sauteed. See that? Mix it all together with whatever pasta you want to mix it with, okay? So we're going to serve that today. Yes, baby, yes. Salmon still going. Got 2 more pieces to go. Kale still going. We'll be right back. We'll show you how that plate should look. As we said, other 2 pieces, inside down. Just let it cook, baby. Don't rush it. Be right back. Okay, guys, the kale is done, but I'm going to take the kale and put it in here because everyone in this household doesn't eat kale. And I don't care because I'm going to eat it if I have to eat it all. So I'll be right back. I'm going to put the kale in here and you're still going to see the finished product. Okay, people? But I can show you a little now. And the kale cooks down. It's not that much, as you can see. I had a whole bag. It's not that much, y'all. But I'm still going to show you what your product should look like. Be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm going to pull out my salmon. As you can see, they're golden brown, baby. Okay? And that's how your stuff should look. Presentable, okay? My meal is smacking because I'm eating kale. I'll be right back. Okay? Okay, you guys, the salmon are done. Ha! Can you taste that? Yeah. I got my shrimp going right here. And my little kale is here. I told you it wasn't going to take us all day. I put my shrimp in the same pan that I did the salmon. You gotta dirt up all them damn dishes, especially when you got to wash them. Please. I'm going to slide this in here to keep warm. Yes, baby, yes. And we'll be right back. I'm going to turn this off. Okay, you guys, everything is done. So this is your final plate. I'm about to go eat, dog. So you got your kale, you got me a, specialty shit. You know what I'm saying? Got a little shrimp, and I got me a piece of salmon. We're about to get this thing started. Everybody have a great Sunday.